हेलो दोस्तों, एक बार फिर स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल विजन एग्रीकल्चर पर। दोस्तों, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे आरपीएससी राजस्थान पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन एग्रीकल्चर सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन 2012 एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिसर एग्ज़ाम की। दोस्तों, वीडियो को देखने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एवं लाइक ज़रूर करें, जिससे कि इसी तरह का वीडियो आपको मिलता रहे। चलो शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, production of large quantities of dilute urine by fresh water is responsible for option 1 maintenance of proper water balance, b maintenance of body temperature, c maintenance of respiration, d maintenance of digestion. Right answer is option a, maintenance of proper water balance. Next, which of these is not a freshwater fish? Option A salmon, B katla, C mistus, D gambusia. Right answer is option A salmon. Next, question number 3, is the measure of responsiveness of quality of a good or service demanded to change in its price? Option A price elasticity of demand, B price elasticity of supply, C income elasticity of demand, D income elasticity of substitution. Right answer is option A price elasticity of demand. Next, question number 4, association of market in which supply is exactly equal to demand is terms as option A equilibrium, B stable, C volatile, D unstable. Right answer is option A equilibrium. Next, question number 5, the entry of large business into agri-business has resulted in a new agreement in raw material production and procurement known as option A subsistence farming, B community farming, C contract farming, D cooperative farming. Right answer is option C contract farming. Next, question number 6, India has been member of World Trade Organization since option A 1 January 1995, B 1 January 1996, C 1 January 1997, D 1 January 1998. Right answer is option A. Next, question number 7, an auction market in which participants buy and sell for delivery on a specified future date is called option A commodity market, B contract market, C future market, D open market. Right answer is option C future market. Next, question number 8, the agriculture and allied sector accounted of how much percent of the GDP in the year 2010-11? Option A 16.2, B 15.7, C 14.2, D 10.5. Right answer is option C 14.2. Next, question number 9, in what proportion all the financial liabilities under National Agriculture Scheme is shared by central and state government? Option A 75:25, B 25:75, C 50:50, D 80:20. Right answer is option C 50:50. Next, question number 10, what the products are called to be when the increase in the level of one does not affect production of other but adds to the total income of farm? Option A supplementary enterprise, B complementary enterprise, C independent enterprise, D joint enterprise. Right answer is option A supplementary enterprise. Next, question number 11, which of these cannot be classified as mass contact method of extension teaching? Option A leaflets, B bulletin, C frontline demonstration, D film shows. Right answer is option C frontline demonstration. Next, question number 12, Which agriculture university got sanction of first Krishi Vigyan Kendra? Option A. Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore. B. Andhra Pradesh Agriculture University, Hyderabad. C. Kerala Agriculture University, Thrissur. D. UAS, Bangalore. Right answer is option A. TNAU. Next, question number 13. The expenditure under Jawahar Rozgar Yojana is shared between the central and state governments in the ratio of option A 50/50, option B 18/20, C 16/40, D 17/30. Right answer is option B 18/20. Next, question number 14. In the program planning process, the first step is option A analysis of situation, B determination of objectives, C identification of problems, D collection of facts. Right answer is option D, collection of facts. Next, question number 15. Which of these laws of learning indicate that the teacher should help the learner to perceive the relationship? Option A law of readiness, B law of exercise, C law of effect, D law of belonging. Right answer is option D, law of belonging. Next, question number 16. Intensive agricultural district program was started in option A 1947, B 1955, C 1960, D 1965. Right answer is option C, 1960. Next, question number 17. Which of these programs fosters basic wage security? Option A Atma, B Manrega, C JRY, D NAIP. Right answer is option B, Manrega. Atma Gandhi Rural Employment Generation Scheme. Next, question number 18. Directorate of Adult Education of National Literacy Mission India is located at option A Mumbai, B Kolkata, C Chennai, D New Delhi. Right answer is option D, New Delhi. Next, question number 19. The Krishi Vigyan Kendra at Pali, Rajasthan is hosted by option A RAU Bikaner, B Kaijri Jodhpur, C Pragati Trust and an NGO, D Gandhi Vidya Mandir and NGO. Right answer is option B Kaijri Jodhpur. Next, question number 20. Atma was introduced in 2005 to 6 to address the constraints of option A CD, option B TNB, C GMF, D HYBP. Right answer is option B TNB. Next, question number 21. The most widely used measure of dispersion is option A range, B quartile deviation, C mean deviation, D standard deviation. Right answer is option D standard deviation. Next, question number 22. What will be the coefficient of determination if correlation coefficient between two variables is 0.7? Option A 0.49, B 4.90, C 49, D 0. Right answer is option A 0.49. Next, question number 23. The square root transformation is done when observation follow a distribution. Option A Poisson, B Linux, C binomial, D normal. Right answer is option A Poisson. Next, question number 24. Consider a factorial RVD with factors x, y and z with labels A, B and C respectively. What will be a C for x, y, z? Option A, B, C and D. Right answer is option A under root 2 EMS upon RA. Next, question number 25. If the mean and standard deviation of maize yield are 60 kg and 50 kg respectively, the coefficient of variation will be option A 40%, B 30%, C 20%, D 10%. Right answer is option A 40%. Question number 26. Which of these farm equipments combine the primary and secondary tillage in single operation? A till plant machine, B MB plow, C rotavator, D laser leveler. Right answer is option C rotavator. Next, question number 27. Which of the component of EMB moldboard plow helps in inverting the furrow slice? Option A shear, B landslide, C prong, D mold board. Right answer is option D mold board. Next, question number 28. Benwell square is an instrument used for option A making and measuring, B cutting, C planing, D striking. Right answer is option A making and measuring. Question number 29. Khapala beetle is option A Trichoderma granarium, B Rhizopertha dominica, C Cytotroga cerulea, D Cytophilus granarium. Right answer is option option A Trichoderma granarium. Next, question number 30. The alternate host plant for mango hopper insect is option A neem, B citrus, C jamun, D none of these. Right answer is option D none of these. Next, question number 31. The use of DDT in agriculture was withdrawn by the government in the year option A 1979, B 1989, C 1999, D 2009. Right answer is option B 1989. Next, question number 32. Abnormal increase in pest population following insecticide application is termed as option A emergence, B divergence, C resilience, D resurgence. Right answer is option D resurgence. Next, question number 33. What is the threshold level of nymphs per leaf of cotton jaycees जैसे to undertake spraying of insecticides? Option A 1 to 2, B 3 to 4, C 5 to 6, D 7 to 8. Right answer is option A 1 to 2. Next, question number 34. Rogor is the trade formulation of option A diclovas, B malathion, C chlorpyrifos, D dimethoate. Right answer is D dimethoate. Next, question number 35. Which of these states of India suffers the most from the outbreak of locust? Option A Madhya Pradesh, B Rajasthan, C Uttar Pradesh, D Haryana. Right answer is option B Rajasthan. Next, question number 36. The plant quarantine regulation of import into India order was passed in the year option A 1914, B 1974, C 1993, D 2003. Right answer is option D 2003. Next, question number 37. Which of these statements is correct in relation to varieties? Option A. These were discovered by Theodore Otto Diner. B. They consist of small circular RNA. C. Their RNA like protein coat. D. All the above statements are correct. Right answer is option D. All the above statements are correct. Next, question number 38. Cereal cyst nematode is option A Heterodora abini, B Inguina tetsai, C Globodora pallida, D Melodogani incognita. Right answer is option A Heterodora abini. Question number 39. The content of rice plant and its susceptibility to blast disease are inversely related. Option A zinc, B silicon, C nitrogen, D boron. Right answer is option B silicon. Next question number 40. Green ear disease of pearl millet is characterized by option A gall formation, B honey secretion, C rotting of ear, D bunchy appearance. Right answer is option D bunchy appearance. Next question number 41. The fungicide carbendazim is a option A organophosphate, B pyrimidine, C triazole, D benzimidazole. Right answer is option D benzimidazole. Next question number 42. Which disease is caused by Sporosaurium sorghai in sorghum is option A grain smut, B head smut, C long smut, D loose smut. Right answer is option A grain smut. Next question number 43. The white blister disease in crucifers is caused by option A Alternaria brassicola, B Alvego candida, C Bacillus cereus, D Fusarium oxysporum. Right answer is option B Alvego candida. Next question number 44. Whip-like black soot is produced in sugarcane plant suffering from disease. Option A smut, B blight, C rust, D rot. Right answer is option A smut. Next question number 45. When two species of same genus are crossed, it is called hybridization. Option A interspecific, B intraspecific, C intervarietal, D intercolonial. Right answer is option A interspecific. Next question number 46. Genetic purity of seed means freedom of seeds from option A seeds of other crop, B inert material, C other variety seeds, D beet seeds. Right answer is option C other variety seeds. Next question number 47. What degree of inbreeding depression in each generation is shown by self-pollinated crop? Option A high, B moderate, C low, D almost nil. Right answer is option D almost nil. Next question number 48. Random change in gene frequency due to sampling error is called option A migration, B mutation, C genetic drift, D selection. Right answer is option C genetic drift. Next question number 49. In transgenic soybean, which gene produces ESPS that is relatively insensitive to glyphosate? Option A AROA, B DW1, C RBSS, D CRY. Right answer is option A AROA. Next question number 50. What is the minimum isolation distance for production of certified seed of hybrid pearl millet? Option A 200 meters, B 300 meters, C 400 meters, D 1000 meters. Right answer is option A 200 meters. Next question number 51. The per capita availability of milk in India during the year 2009-10 was about option A 163 gram, B 263 gram, C 363 gram, D 463 gram. Right answer is option B 263 gram. Next question number 52. In case of poultry, the feed efficiency indicates option A ratio of feed consumption to weight gained, B ratio of feed consumption to feces passed, C ratio of feed consumption to total body weight, D ratio of feed consumption to number of egg production. Right answer is option A ratio of feed consumption to weight gained. Next question number 53. The incubation period of rinderpest disease in cattle is of how many days? Option A 8 to 10, B 3 to 7, C 1 to 3, D 13 to 15. Right answer is option B 3 to 7. Next question number 54. Merino breed of sheep is option A mutton breed, B fine wool breed, C cord carpet wool breed, D apparel wool breed. Right answer is option B, fine wool breed. Next question number 55. Polyvalent tissue culture vaccine is used against disease of cattle. Option A, rinderpest, B, foot and mouth, C, anthrax, D, black quarter. Right answer is option B, foot and mouth. Next question number 56. Which of these is not a milky breed of cow? Option A, Malvi, B, Sahibal, C, Red Sindhi, D, Gir. Right answer is option A, Malvi. Next question number 57. Which of these is the biggest goat breed? Option A, Jamnapari, B, Surti, C, Mehsana, D, Marwadi. Right answer is option A, Jamnapari. Next question number 58. Which of these is the most widely used cryoprotective agent for bull spermatozoa, particularly for frozen semen? Right answer is option A, fructose, B, glucose, C, mannose, D, glycerol. Right answer is option D, glycerol. Next question number 59. The urea is not employed in amount higher than percent of the total concentrate feed of growing and lactating dairy cattle. Option A 3, B 4, C 5, D 6. Right answer is option A 3. Next question number 60. Which of these is superior most system of grazing management of animals in grassland? Option A, continuous grazing, B, deferred grazing, C, rotational grazing, D, deferred rotational grazing. Right answer is option D, deferred rotational grazing. Next question number 61. Which of these fishes have to spend more energy to maintain homeostasis? Option A, freshwater, B, seawater, C, both of these, D, none of these. Right answer is option A, freshwater. Next question number 62. The density of water at 25 degrees Celsius temperature is option A, B, C and D. Right answer is option B, 997.075 kg per cubic meter. Next question number 63. The optimum temperature for wheat germination is option A, 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, B, 20 to 22 degrees Celsius, C, 15 to 17 degrees Celsius, D, 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. Right answer is option B, 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. Next question number 64. Detachment and transport of soil particle by a concentrated flow of water is called option A, raindrop erosion, B, sheet erosion, C, interrail erosion, D, rill erosion. Right answer is option A, raindrop erosion. Next question number 65. Spraying of quinine reduces transpiration from leaf surface by option A, stomatal closure, B, forming a film, C, increased reflectance, D, increased hydration. Right answer is option B, forming a film. Next question number 66. The agroforestry system involving crops plus trees plus pasture plus animals is called option A, agri-silviculture, B, silvipastoral, C, agri-horticulture, D, agri-silvipastoral. Option A, agri-silviculture. Next question number 67. With which of following crops Chichorium intybus beet is associated? Option A, berseem, B, wheat, C, oat, D, napier grass. Right answer is option B, wheat. Next question number 68. Which of these elements is important in stabilizing various enzyme systems in plants? Option A, nitrogen, B, phosphorus, C, potassium, D, sulfur. Right answer is option C, potassium. Next question number 69. In the year 2008-9, the total NPK consumption in Rajasthan was how much thousand tons? Option A, 1052, B, 1152, C, 1252, D, 1352. Right answer is option A. Next question number 70. The per hectare NPK consumption kilogram per hectare in Rajasthan during 2008-9 was option A, 58.8, B, 48.8, C, 38.8, D, 28.8. Right answer is option B, 48.8. Next question number 71. The soil difficult to cultivate because of high expansion and contraction, the two high clay content are classified as option A vortisols, B alpha salts, C histosols, D inceptisols. Right answer is option A vortisols. Next question number 22. The first step in traversing for mapping is option A study of geology of area, B field mapping of area, C reconnaissance surveying of area, D observing relief of area. Right answer is option C reconnaissance surveying of area. Next question number 73. The nitrogen percentage in humus is about option A 4 to 4.5%, B 5 to 5.5%, C 6 to 6.5%, D 7 to 7.5%. Right answer is option B 5 to 5.5%. Next question number 74. Upon flooding, the phosphorus availability in soil, option A increases, B decreases, C first increases then decreases, D first decreases then decreases. Right answer is option A increases. Next question number 75. The gypsum equivalent of iron pyrite used for reclamation of sodic soil is option A 0.85, B 0.19, C 1.29, D 0.63. Right answer is option C 1.29. Next question number 76. The most practical method of amla propagation is option A by seeds, B budding, C grafting, D cutting. Right answer is option B budding. Next question number 77. In India, fully ripened and dehydrated development stage of date palm is termed as option A Gandora, B Dhoka, C Dang, D Pind. Right answer is option D Pind. Question number 78. To transplant 1 hectare land, how many grams of brinjal seeds are sufficient? Option A 500 to 700, B 1000 to 12,000, C 1500 to 2000, D 250 to 500. Right answer is option A. Next question number 79. The seed rate of lady finger rainy season crop is about option A 10, B 15, C 20 kg, D 25 kg. Right answer is option A 10 kg. Next question number 80. Which of these varieties of Simla mirchi? Option A Yellow Wonder, B Pusa Jwala, C Jawahar 218, D Phule Jyoti. Right answer is option A Yellow Wonder. Next question number 81. Whip-tail disease of cauliflower is caused by the deficiency of option A molybdenum, B boron, C zinc, D phosphorus. Right answer is option A molybdenum. Next question number 82. For small seeded types, the seed rate kilogram per hectare of watermelon is option A 1 to 1.5 kg, B 2 to 2.5 kg, C 3 to 3.5 kg, D 4 to 4.5 kg. Right answer is option C 3 to 3.5 kg. Next question number 83. Pre-planting treatment of glandulous corn with is responsible for increase in number of daughter corms. Option A GA, B ethyl, C cytokinin, D any of these. Right answer is option B ethyl. Next question number 84. For good pollination, how much percent male plants of papaya are necessary in an orchard? Option A 5, B 10, C 15, D 20. Right answer is option B 10. Next question number 85. Mughal garden are surrounded by option A high wall, B low wall, C water course, D spiny hedge. Right answer is option A high wall. Next question number 86. Fruit squaces having plenty of pulp are known as option A fruit syrup, B cordial, C beverages, D nectar. Right answer is option D nectar. Next question number 87. Which of these planting system of orchard has the provision of quick growing and early maturing filler trees? Option A hexagonal, B triangular, C rectangular, D quincunx. Right answer is option D quincunx. Next question number 88. Salt concentration of percent is sufficient to preserve most products. Option A 5 to 15, B 15 to 25, C 25 to 35, D 35 to 45. Right answer is option B 15 to 25. Next question number 89. What is the threshold percent of dead herds over which insecticide should be applied in rice field to control yellow stem borer? Option A 2, B 5, C 10, D 15. Right answer is option B 5. Next question number 90. Which part of the groundnut plants the grub of Holotricha consanguinea eat? Option A roots, B stem, C flower, D leaves. Right answer is option A roots. Next question number 91. Which of these phosphates is used as bait to control rats? Option A ammonium phosphide, B calcium phosphide, C magnesium phosphide, D zinc phosphide. Right answer is option D zinc phosphide. Next question number 92. Which of these amino acids are present in quality protein meal in higher quantities? Option A histidine and isoleucine, B leucine and methionine, C threonine and valine, D lysine and tryptophan. Right answer is option A histidine and isoleucine. Next question number 93. Yellow revolution is related to option A pulse, B oil seeds, C meat, D vegetables. Right answer is option B oil seeds. Next question number 94. How many 3-budded sets will be required for planting 2 hectare sugarcane crop? Option A 20,000 to 25,000, B 30,000 to 40,000, C 70,000 to 80,000, D 90,000 to 1 lakh. Right answer is option C 70,000 to 80,000. Next question number 95. Bikaneri Narma BT cotton was developed at option A RAU Bikaner, B IARI New Delhi, C UAS Dharwad, D TANU Coimbatore. Right answer is option C University of Agriculture Science Dharwad. Next question number 96. The herbicides carfentrazone is used to control weeds in A wheat, B maize, C paddy, D cotton. Right answer is option A wheat. Next question number 97. Ajmer comes under which agroclimatic zones of Rajasthan? Option A semi-arid eastern plain, B flood-prone eastern plain, C subhumid southern plain, D irrigated northwestern plain. Option A. Right answer is option A semi-arid eastern plain. Next question number 98. The ratio between area of crop irrigated and quantity of water applied to crop is termed as option A duty, B delta, C base period, D irrigation quotient. Right answer is option A duty. Next question number 99. What is the recommended rate of application of the herbicide metsulfuron in wheat? Option A 4 gram per hectare, B 10 gram per hectare, C 16 gram per hectare, D 22 gram per hectare. Right answer is option A 4 gram per hectare. Next question number 100. ICPL 87 is the variety of option A green gram, B black gram, C gram, D pigeon pea. Right answer is option D pigeon pea. Next question number 101. Excavated ponds are constructed advantageously in areas for runoff collection. Option A hilly, B flat, C both of these, D none of these. Right answer is option B flat. Next question number 102. The safe limit of land slope in border irrigation method in medium loam soil is option A 0.05 to 0.20%, B 0.20 to 0.40%, C 0.40 to 0.60%, D 0.60 to 0.80%. Right answer is option A 0.05 to 0.20%. Next question number 103. Supplementary pollination is recommended in option A sunflower, B soybean, C mustard, D groundnut. Right answer is option A sunflower. Next question number 104. How much area of total area of transplanting is required for raising paddy nursery? Option A 5%, B 10%, C 15%, D 20%. Right answer is option B 10%. Question number 105. Which of these species of Rhizobium is classified under slow growing type? Option A Rhizobium milliloti, B Rhizobium trifoliae, C Rhizobium lupinae, D Rhizobium leguminosarum. Right answer is option A Rhizobium milliloti. Next question number 106. Herbicide paraquat is recommended for the control of cuscuta weed in option A Berseem, B Lucerne, C oats, D barley. Right answer is option B Lucerne. Next question number 107. What is the seed rate of Isbagol? Option is 6 to 8 kg per hectare, B 10 to 12 kg per hectare, C 13 to 15 kg per hectare, D 18 to 12 kg per hectare. Right answer is option is 6 to 8 kg per hectare. Next question number 108. Percent K20 equal percent potassium into option A 1.2, B 2.20, C 3.2, D 4.2. Right answer is option A 1.2. Question number 109. Which of these elements can partially substitute molybdenum in nitrogen fixation by rhizobium? Option A sodium, B silicon, C vanadium, D cobalt. Right answer is option C vanadium. Next question number 110. How much percent of its urea requirement is met through indigenous production by India? Option A 65, B 75, C 85, D 95. Right answer is option B 75. Next question number 111. The growth regulator that stimulates cell elongation is option A ethylene, B abscisic acid, C cytokinin, D oxygen. Right answer is option D oxygen. Next question number 112. The biofertilizer that can neither be cultured in the absence of living roots nor isolated on agar plate by standard microbiological technique is option A worm, B azospirillum, C azotobacter, D rhizobium. Right answer is option A worm. Next question number 113. Which of these crop is comparatively more tolerant to saline water? Option A maize, B wheat, C soybean, D barley. Right answer is option D barley. Next question number 114. Golden rice was designed to produce a precursor of vitamin A. Option A beta carotene, B alpha carotene, C gamma carotene, D zeta carotene. Right answer is option A beta carotene. Next question number 115. In India, highest productivity kilogram per hectare of bajra is in the state of option A Rajasthan, B Haryana, D C Uttar Pradesh, D Madhya Pradesh. Right answer is option B Haryana. Next question number 116. The worldwide radio navigation system formed by the constellation of 24 satellite is option A GIS, B GPS, B BRT, D DSS. Right answer is option B GPS. Next question number 117. For how many days medium range weather forecasting is? Option A 1.1 to 3, B 3 to 10, C 10 to 15, D 15 to 21. Right answer is option B 3 to 10 days. Next question number 118. The other name of IRS-P6, a state-of-art satellite mainly for agriculture application, is option A resource sat, 1, B resource set 2, C cartosat 2B, D reset 2. Right answer is option B, resource set 2. Question number 119. In which of the following crops calcium nutrition is of greater significance? Option A mustard, B soybean, C groundnut, D sunflower. Right answer is option C groundnut. Next question number 120. In depot method of nursery raising of paddy, the seedlings are ready for transplanting in how many days? Option A 8 to 10 days, B 12 to 14, C 20 to 22, D 28 to 30. Right answer is option B 12 to 14 days. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स। वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एवं लाइक ज़रूर करें और दोस्तों के पास ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, जिससे कि ऐसा ही वीडियो आप तक पहुंचता रहे। धन्यवाद।